Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nick and today we will talk about how to download and play Archero 2 on your PC or laptop. So as you probably know, Archero 2 is a mobile popular game that now is also available for Android and iOS devices. But there is a way how you can easily install it on your PC. So what you need to do? Firstly, you need to install an Android emulator such as LD Player or BlueStacks. In this video I will use this one because I think this is the best Android emulator. So how to install it? Just go to a browser and type here LD Player or for example BlueStacks if you want to use another Android emulator and type download. And just go to their official website and install it. Click on the download button and run this installer to download it. After the installation process, you'll see this icon on your desktop, and by clicking on it, you can launch the emulator. So this is what you will see after that. So how to use it? All you need to do is just click on the System Apps folder and find here Play Store. Click on it. So this is an ordinary Play Store. You can just open it on your phone, for example. And here you, of course, need to log in or sign up. And after that, just type in the search box Archero 2 to find the game's page. So click on it, and now let's download it. Just click on the install button. Well, we'll have to wait quite a while because the game waits a lot, as you can see. But for now, you can read the description, reviews, screenshots, and so on. Okay, finally the game is installed. Now let's click on the play button. And finally, I can start playing this game. Now I need to make sure that the game works correctly on my device. And yeah, I can tap to skip. Let's click on it. I can play this game on my PC. It's very cool. Hope my video was really helpful for you. Please subscribe and put a like under this video. And of course leave your comments. I will try to answer on it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.